Hello students, in our today's e-lecture, we are continuing with our topic of simple interest in application of percentage. Moving ahead to the questions, at what rate percent per annum will a sum of money double itself in 8 years? In this question, we have given the time, that is 8 years, and we need to find rate of interest. If you remember the formula for rate of interest, we need three things: simple interest, principal and time. Time is given to us, and now there is a relation between the principal and amount is given to us. Because when a sum of money double itself, means suppose you have taken 100 rupees from your any person and you are returning back 200 to him, it means you are not returning the interest, you are returning the amount, that is principal plus simple interest. So there is a relationship between principal and amount is given to us. Let principal be p, then amount will be 2p, and simple interest is equal to amount minus principal, that is 2p minus p, that is p. Now we have principal, simple interest, time. We will apply the formula for rate of interest. Simple interest into 100 upon p into t. Put down the values of simple interest, principal and t in this formula. P into 100 upon p into 8. P get cancelled off, and what we left with 100 by 8. That is equal to 25 by 2, that is 12 is to 1 by 2%. We have taken out rate of interest is 12 is to 1 by 2%. Moving to the next question. In what time will the simple interest on rupees 400 at 10% per annum be the same as simple interest on rupees 1000 for 4 years at 4% per annum? Now in this question, we have to find the time. On will the simple interest on rupees 400 at 10% be same? In what time? The principal is 400, rate of interest 10%, and we need to find the time. But in this case, the simple interest which we need is not given, but that will be related to the next statement, that simple interest will be same as the simple interest on 1000 rupees for 4 years at 4%. Now in the second thing, principal is given to us 1000, rate of interest 4%, time 4 years. So from there we can calculate simple interest, and that simple interest will be same as the simple interest on rupees 400 at 10%, in which we need to take out time. Now principal is 1000, rate of interest 4%, time is 4 years. So simple interest is P into R into T by 100. 1000 into 4 into 4 by 100. 100 cancel off here, and what is left with us is rupees 160. This is simple interest. Now this simple interest will be same when the principal is rupees 400. Simple interest is rupees 160. Principal is 400. Rate of interest is 10%, and we have to find the time. The formula for time: simple interest into 100 upon P into R. 160 into 100 upon 400 into 10, and when you get cancelled off, you will have taken out the time is equal to 4 years. This is the 4 years in that which the simple interest on rupees 400 at 10% is rupees 160. So in this question, what we need, that is given in the second line, that simple interest we have to take out, and we will keep that value on that principal 400 at 10%, and then taken out the time. Next question I am taking here. Mr. Jain donated rupees 1 lakh to a school, and the interest on it to be used for awarding 5 scholarships of equal values. If value of each scholarship is rupees 1500, find the rate of interest. Now principal amount is given to us rupees 1 lakh, and the interest on it. The interest on rupees 1 lakh, that is principal amount, is used to award 5 scholarships of equal value, and the value of one scholarship is given to us rupees 1500. So we can find out the value of 5 scholarships, and that will be our simple interest, and find the rate of interest. And you all know that scholarship is provided every year. It means time is here 1 year. So we need to find rate of interest. Everything is given in this question now. Principal rupees 1 lakh. Simple interest 1500 into 5, because value of one scholarship is 1500 and 5 scholarship of equal values are given to the students. So 1500 into 5, that is rupees 7500, is our simple interest. Time is 1 year. Now we need to find rate of interest. SI into 100 upon principal into T. Everything is given to us. 7500 into 100 upon 1 lakh into 1, and the rate of interest is 7.5%. In this question, the thing which you have to just carefully observe, that time is 1 year, because that scholarship is awarded every year to the students, and else everything is given to you, principal, simple interest, and you have to find rate of interest. So next question, a child has certain amount of chocolates. He ate 35% of the chocolates but still had 13 chocolates. What is the number of chocolates the child originally had? Now, in this question, we have not given the total number of the chocolate the child had, but if he ate 35% of the chocolate, he still had 13 chocolates with them. Now, let the original total number of the chocolates he had originally, that is X. Now, number of the chocolates he ate and the number of chocolates he had. These two things are given to you. Number of chocolates he had is equal to 13. Number of chocolates he ate, that is 35%. And now we can calculate the number of the chocolate he had in percentage. How? 100 minus 35%, because total is 100%, 35% he ate. So how many chocolates are left with him? 100 minus 35, that is 65%. Now 65% of the total chocolate is equal to 13, because we have taken out the number of chocolate he had in percentage as well as his number. So now we are going to equate them. 65% of total chocolate that we have taken X is equal to 13. 65 by 100 into X, and X is equal to 13 into 100 by 65, and X, the value of X we have taken out, that is 20 chocolates the child had originally. So home assignment for today, do worksheet 5 complete chapter 5.